Begin by removing the cover for the ice-making mechanism. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that retain the faceplate. Carefully hinge the faceplate downward. Cut the wire tie connector. Using a pair of wire crimpers, squeeze the dead-end connectors on the opposite side of the existing crimp. This should facilitate the wire connectors removal, otherwise cut and restrip the wires. Carefully note the color coding and location of each of the wire connectors before disconnecting. Using needle nose pliers, carefully remove the connectors from each of the switches. Remove the grounding screw from the faceplate and remove the module. Install the new faceplate in the reverse order. Using the supplied dead-end connectors, reconnect the 2 wiring groups. Once the wiring is completed, align the cam flat with the shaft of the harvest rake system. Moving the rake by hand will help align the cam and the rake together. Also make certain that the bin arm aligns with its pivot point on the faceplate before final assembly. Use care not to over-tighten the faceplate screws.